How to remove your account from YouTube in iPhone. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'll guide you on how you can remove your account from YouTube app on iPhone, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now you can actually sign out of YouTube and still watch YouTube on iPhone. So to do this, all you have to do is simply go ahead and first of all launch the YouTube app like this. Then currently you can see I'm logged into one of my account. I just need to tap the profile icon from the top right. Then I need to tap on this specific username. Now I can switch to other accounts, but if I want to remove the YouTube account and I want to use YouTube in a signed out way, I just need to tap the option called use YouTube signed out, as you can see here. Once I do that, I'll be successfully signed out of YouTube just like this. This way I can use YouTube signed out or remove account from YouTube on my iPhone. Hope this video was very helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.